everyone, I'm going to show you how to log in to Friendster on mobile. So let's open Friendster app first and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. And once you do that, tap on continue. So here, if you haven't created your profile, so you can create one in here, put in your display name and your bio. You can also change this later. In your bio in here at the bottom. Now once done, tap on continue. So next, you can protect your account by signing in with Apple. So right now, you're using a temporary sign in. So if you delete the app or switch iPhones, you may lose access to your profile and friends. So make sure you sign in with Apple. But you can also do this later on. So you can click on close or not now. And you're now signed in into Friendster. So here is your profile. So if you click the message icon, that's where you can see your messages. So you can chat your friends in there. If you click this two persons icon, this is where you can add friends. This is your notifications at the center and your home feed. So let's click on your profile, and at the top, that's where you can see your settings. So here, this is where you can log out, you can delete account, you can sign in with Apple, you can change your email, change notifications, and here you can also clear image cache. You can also click on edit profile and put in your profile picture. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.